Hello, today I'm going to talk about for sale by owner. If you're thinking of selling your house yourself, there's a lot to consider. I'm sure you think you're going to save 5 or 6% in commission and you're going to offer the buyers a better price. But the buyers are going to see the price of your house compared to all the other houses on the market. So based on the value of your house, this may or may not be a good idea. You're still going to pay for advertising and you're going to have to manage the transaction. It's going to take time. You're also going to have to deal with the people who call your house. You're going to have to figure out how qualified they are to buy your house. And you may still pay a buyer's agent. If a buyer has an agent, if I work with one of my buyers and they want me to help them on a for sale by owner, I can work it out. I can ask the seller for a concession for closing costs. There's a lot of ways that we can keep the buyer protected. A smart buyer is not going to walk away from their counsel just because they're buying a property from a for sale by owner. Buyer's agents and selling agents recognize value that people who are not professionals may miss. This is an important reason to work with a realtor, not to mention all of the legal support and all the team support, the internet marketing. There's just so much going on here. You don't realize it till you get into it, which is why 70% of for sale by owners have historically gone to work with real estate agents after a while. It gets frustrating. You're going to have to know if they're qualified and how much time are you going to invest recognizing the customary practices in the area. It's very important for you to have an attorney who's going to work with you as a for sale by owner, because he's going to be your best asset if you choose not to have a realtor. So you're going to spend a lot of time. You're going to have to negotiate the home inspection, figure out the value of that. So think about it. Is it really worth the difference of my fee? Is your time worth it? Is the aggravation or all the things you're going to have to deal with to save this money worth it to you? I ask you to think about this and give me a call if you are thinking about selling your house. I'd like the opportunity to represent you and help you get the highest price at closing. My name is David Carr, and I would look forward to hearing from you soon.